Today we're waiting for the tree to get cut down. Today is supposed to be the day. I don't know if we're going to eat our regular scheduled supper with you today, but I might show you some updates here. Let me show you what I eat. Kathy's not here right now. She's watching her grandson. She really wants to be here to watch this. Hopefully they arrive today. Look how big it is, see? Heck with that. Alright, let's see what it looks like at the end. I'll keep you updated. I'm hungry now, you know that. They finally came, they're starting on the tree. Look at that. You like it? I'll show you as it goes. A little bit here and there. The guy's truck filled up with wood chips, so he's going to dump it. I guess they're going to take a lunch break. It's been about almost 3 hours. I gotta eat, you know. I'm gonna have a tomato sandwich. It's Friday. It's a different day. Different day. Popcorn machine. much fun. Got my toast in. Nice tomato here. Not as nice as the ones that I'm gonna grow though. I like cutting them thin. I put them on toast with mayo, salt and pepper. Oof, slippery one. See, I like them like that. Join me, will ya? All I see is Duke's mayonnaise right now. I don't know why. Oh, here's some helmets. Oh, I might as well use the Duke's because it's open. We're not gonna have a taste test today. Smell that toast. Let me go get it. Oh, I smell the toast burning. I hope it ain't too dark. No, it's just like I like it out. Except it's hot for my fingers. You like it like that? I like it like that. And mayo. Oh! Oh! So spreadable. It's incredible. Oh, it's going all over the place. Alright, I like a lot of mayo, but I like a little neater. 2, 3 thin slices. Oh, you want some of this? Those guys are coming back, you know. This is just a quick snack. And hello, Kathy, wherever you are. She's with her grandson. It's okay. Take a bite. Oh, you want some now? It gets messy too. I love that. I love them, especially when they come right from the garden. But this one wasn't. I'm going to finish this quick before they come back. I'm going to go outside and watch them a little more. I'll show you some clips here and there. And maybe I'll even come back after all the tree trimming. Boy, trees. I'm gonna have another one. Almost the last timber. Come on, last timber. Hot out here. Push it over. You can do it. You can do it. He's making a stool for me to sit on over there. A leprechaun stool. Want a sample? Look alright? It's kind of shapely. Not tickling my bedroom window anymore like it was doing. Oh yeah. Started up that chipper and he's gonna pull it. Watch. It goes, oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh, I felt that one. Good job. Good job. So what do you think? Opened it up somewhat. They're going to come back for those tomorrow. They're going to bring a bigger chipper. They're big, aren't they? Look, there's a hole in the ground where one of the branches or stumps fell. We're going to fill this in anyway. Boy, I think I got more sunburn than they did. What do you think? The guy gave me a good discount. I'm glad. He gave me like a third off. Isn't that nice? Cleaned up good. We had a whole bunch of crap over here. They cleaned up. A bunch of sticks. He's gonna clean up the sawdust tomorrow. Made me a little stool there. Look at that. I'll be sitting there. You know that. That's what I did this Friday. I'm gonna finish the rest of this tomato now. That's what I had. What do you have? I'm on a diet. So good. Thanks for watching. Stop back for more fun. Please subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow maybe, alright? Maters. Take it easy.